Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add link to Instagram story. Firstly, before I start with this explanational video, I need to mention that now you have the latest section of the newest setup on Instagram, in which you have a new feature with giving up a link to your Instagram story on every single account. Now you don't need any, for example, getting up into a famous setup to simply go and change your site to get link, or for example you need to have 10k followers to get up link. Now simply have link for every single account on Instagram. What you need to do, go to your story site, take a photo, for example, go on it, tap on your upper side on the first selection, both of 4 sections, and then as you can see right down you have link. Now you can simply go, for example, to YouTube, and you can go with this video, go share, go copy link, here getting up the link, go add link, paste it, done. Now guys, as you can see, we have added link to Instagram story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.